What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XLM stellar lumens today. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. Here we are sitting at about, what is that? Sorry, I gotta get it right. 26.7 cents right now, down on the month 6.6%. Last week closed 25% to the downside. Crazy volatility that we've had, you guys, coming from the downside to the upside, back to this downside. We've done it over the weeks. It's intense, it's immense, it's boring, it's trying, it's exciting, it's all these things at once. Make no mistake, my friends, you are in a very ideal bullish pattern right now. This is what they call in the business a bull flag, right? It looks pretty damn perfect. Lower lows, lower highs, very nice tight phase of consolidation with the bull flag, the flag pole right here. This bull flag will prevail. It will send you to new all-time highs. It will send you to prices that are at, around, let's see, hold on, around $1.70, $1.50 at the least, or higher, right? I still am holding out for those targets that are around $2 or more whenever this is all said and done. But as we go lower, the targets have to come down as well. That's how bull flags work, right? If you broke out here, if this was your low, cool, it's a higher target. If it's down here, a little bit of a lower target, and that's fine. I want to look at the price action here and assume, because I am expecting that Bitcoin does, recovers a little bit from here. We probably go back to about 84,500, 83.2K, something like that, right? We're very close to that. But likely it will go lower to 74,500 or more. If that happens, XLM stellar lumens will likely drop more, and the next area to find support at, besides where you are here, would probably be something at about 25 cents. That sounds about right to me, man. 25 cents sounds about right. Or even on a weekly closing low basis here, maybe something that's at around 23.6 cents. But something that's a little bit lower is what I would anticipate. If we look at this here from the current price, what would that be on a percentage basis? Because I expect Bitcoin to drop 8 to 15%. If Bitcoin drops 8 to 15%, stellar lumens likely drops more. So to be completely fair, we could go even lower than that. Maybe stellar. Maybe you see a wicked 26% dump all the way down to, let's see, what would that be? All the way down to about 19.5 cents. That could happen. That could be maybe something around there. Finding support at prior areas of resistance here on a weekly basis, prior areas of support here and support there. That could happen indeed. I'm kind of under the impression, you guys, that this drop is going to happen rather fast. If it doesn't happen fast, it would cause more pain, right? A very long, slow bleed, being at these prices without any kind of immediate recovery, would cause the most pain, at least in my opinion. And something to think about, right? Something that I actually just thought about now making this video is that spring break is coming up. It's happening for a lot of people. There are probably, I would assume there are some people who were counting on the markets to provide some money for them over vacation, or maybe they were counting on the markets to provide some money for them to do various things in the spring. People like to move and stuff like that around April, May, stuff like that. Wouldn't it be crazy if people were put in these kind of financial situations where they're obligated to spend money because they made these plans month in advance probably. And now, whenever the time comes, the market's at the lowest points, they have to sell because they bought their plane tickets, they bought their moving van, they don't have rent coming up in the same area because they're moving, whatever's going on. There's a lot of life-changing things that happen in this springtime kind of season. Wouldn't it be crazy if we just stalled until April and then we moved up? That would be nuts, man. That would be absolutely. I think that I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but it's just, it's a little story time with C-Zar moment there. We're at 26.6 cents now. I do think that we're going to go lower with my conspiracies aside or not. If we look at the daily time frame, yes, we have bullish divergence, but it's only confirmed once you get a green day to close. Today is 21 hours, 32 minutes left. We are green for now. We're up about 1.3%. There's a lot of time to flip this thing around, and it's not that high to flip it around either. We could definitely dump from here, you guys. And I expect that we do. I expect that we do continue lower, and that's okay. That if and when that happens, from a low to a high, I would expect first that we probably move up to 27.5 cents, maybe as high as about 29.5 cents, and then begin our final descent down to anything from 22.6 cents to potentially something that's right below 20 cents at 19.6 cents there. I like that on a daily closing basis, right there at your weekly or your 1618. We go back in time. It's right there to a T, man. It's perfect right there. I don't know. I could see Bitcoin dropping anywhere from 8 to 15% from its current prices. And from that price there, that'd be a 15% drop at a minimum, potentially a 26% drop. And if XLM drops more than BTC, which normally happens when Bitcoin drops, XLM drops more, these are very doable areas. If not, maybe you do stop somewhere above 22 cents, but something lower nonetheless. I do expect you go below 25 cents, okay? In time, this bull flag will be validated. You will be moving up higher. You will break out to new all-time highs. It's inevitable. It's just going to take time, okay? We're going to go down a little bit lower first. If we went down as low as 20 cents, just below 20 cents, right where this high is, your bull flag still takes you to $1.41, which from the current price, let alone from the price that it would go to if you bought the low, from the current price, that is a minimum of a 5.3x. And I would anticipate you do go higher. I'm thinking we do still reach prices around $2, maybe just below $2, but right around $2. Or you could go just above. It's very possible. We have targets and reasons to believe that as well. But time will tell. I don't think I have anything else that I want to say. If you guys could hit the like button and subscribe, that's always appreciated. Thank you all for being here. I think that XLM is a very bright star in the crypto space, and I think it's just yet to shine. It had a little glimmer here, but you're really going to shine over the coming months. This month, I expect to close green. I don't think it's going to close red. We'll probably come up by the end of the month a little bit, but next month, April, May is when I think, April, May, June maybe, man, is going to be some very phenomenal times, but we'll see how it goes. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.